cheesy shrimp stuffed garlic bread. Man, when I tell you this is delicious, it ain't doing it no justice, man, because words cannot describe, words cannot depict how amazing this recipe is right here. I'm talking smacking with flavor, and I'm about to show you how it's done. So let's not waste any time and get right on into it. Let's get started. So you want to begin with 1 pound of large shrimp. These are peeled, deveined with the tail off. And all I'm doing here is just cutting them into smaller pieces, nice and easy. Once we have these all cut up, we're gonna drizzle a little bit of oil on them, and we are gonna season them up like our life depends on it. And excuse the thunder in the background. It's pouring outside. It's a thunderstorm. I can't do nothing about it. I'm trying to knock this voiceover out, if you know what I mean. So the ingredients are listed on the screen and as well in the description box. Go ahead and season up your shrimp. Once that's taken care of, you want to have your pan to about a medium high. Drizzle a little bit of oil in there and drop your shrimp right on in. And if you know shrimp, they take almost no time to cook. And keep in mind, we're gonna stick this in the oven to broil, so take that in account. We're gonna let this go for maybe about 4 minutes or so, and once they are looking beautiful just like so, we are gonna remove them from the heat and move on to the next step. We got to get that yummy garlic butter together. We're going to drop in some garlic paste. You could use minced garlic if that's what you have on hand. We're also going to drop in a little bit of Italian seasoning, a pinch of salt because this is unsalted butter. It's all I have on hand. And we're going to drop in some freshly chopped parsley as well. And this is room temperature butter. Make sure it's room temperature so it's nice and it's easy to work with. Go ahead and mix everything together just like so. And once that's taken care of, you want to go ahead and grab your French bread. I'm going to cut off a section and then basically slice our bread right down the middle just like so. And on one half of the bread, we're going to layer all of that goodness right on top. So here we are, we're gonna begin with that yummy garlic and herb butter. Go ahead and just butter that bread up just like so. When I tell you that butter is so delicious, gotta believe me there, it is amazing. And before I put everything else on, I'm gonna go ahead and just toss this bread right onto a baking dish, and we're gonna layer on that delicious, well seasoned up shrimp right on top of that bread just like so. Come on now, you can't tell me that shrimp does not look beautiful. It sure does. Okay, and those red pepper flakes, oh my goodness, add a little bit of extra kick to this recipe that I absolutely love. And once you have your shrimp on there, go ahead and layer on a generous amount of mozzarella cheese right on top. Be very generous, okay? And at this point, you want to go ahead and get your oven going. You could put it on a low broil if you have it. I know some ovens don't give you an option as far as low or high broil, but if you do have low broil, put it on there, and you want to let this go until your cheese is fully melted. Keep an eye on it so it doesn't burn. And this is how you should be looking right out of the oven. Go ahead and slice this up and share this yummy goodness with your loved ones, your friends, whoever, your neighbor. It doesn't matter. They have to enjoy this. You can't be stingy with these flavors right here. You have to share this and let everybody enjoy with you, because it is just truly amazing. As you can see, this is a very easy recipe that's jam-packed with flavor. That's what we do around here. We just jam-pack everything with flavor. That's what we do. So I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. You can't forget to give your boy a like if you enjoyed this one. Comment down below, let me know what you think about today's video, and I will for sure see you all on the next one. Deuces.